Good afternoon, students. So today we solve problems on non-linear equations of the form f of pq is equal to 0. So in the last class we have solved one problem on reducible to linear equation of the form f of pq is equal to 0. Okay, so today we see some more problems on this type of equations. So here the first problem is solve yp plus x cube equal to pq. Okay, so this is one type of equations, and this is not in a standard form. That means this is not in the form of f of pq is equal to 0. So f of pq means what? The equation should involve only p and q and some constant. That's all. Okay, so therefore, but this equation it involves x and y. So we have to reduce this equation. Into a form of f of pq is equal to 0. So to reduce that, we make some substitutions. Okay, so for that, what we assume, to make the substitution, we assume that let capital X is equal to small x square and capital Y is equal to small y square. Okay, so then we find p, value, that is p means what? It is nothing but dou small z by dou x. Okay, so now we have to differentiate z with respect to x. Now while differentiating with respect to x, small x, this small x is a function of capital X. Okay, so therefore what we do, we first differentiate this with capital X and then capital X with respect to small x, like that. Similar, then plus z is also function of y, so we write this one as dou z by dou x by dou x. Okay, only this one. So that is p is equal to dou z by dou x is equal to dou z by dou capital X into dou capital X by dou x. Because this x is only function of capital X only, there is no other y term, so therefore only one term will come. If suppose x is function of some other variable, say if it contains x plus y, x plus capital Y, like that, in that two term will come. Okay, so it contains only one term, that is capital X, so we have only this term. Okay, so now dou x by dou x, how to find dou x by dou x? Now we differentiate this with respect to small x. What we obtain? Dou x by dou x is equal to 2x. Now substitute this here. This value we substitute here, which gives dou z by dou x by dou x means it is 2x. Similarly, we find q, dou z by dou y. Again we apply the same technique, dou z by dou capital Y into dou capital Y by dou small y. Now we differentiate, we want to get this one, so now we use this equation and we differentiate this with respect to small y. So then we get dou capital Y by dou small y, which is equal to 2y. Okay, 2y. So now we substitute this here, which gives dou z by dou capital Y into 2y. Right? Okay, Okay, now we got P value and we got Q value. Okay, now we substitute all these value in this equation. Okay, now substituting all this value in this equation, and we denote this one. Now let us denote. Let dou z dou capital X means this term. Let us denote this term by capital P. Okay, capital P, and similarly this term by capital Q. So dou z by dou capital by is capital Q. So then this becomes small p is equal to capital P into 2x, and small q is equal to capital Q into 2y. Capital Q into 2y, or this is nothing but 2 capital P x, and this is 2 capital Q y. Okay, now using these two equations, okay, right? So in the given problem, that is call this equation as 1 in this equation. Okay, now substituting. These P and Q in 1. These P and Q in 1. So we obtain P plus Q is equal to 2PQ. Okay, substitute all these values here. So P means 2 into Px, Q means 2 into Qy, okay, which is equal to, that is, just I substitute. So P means 2Px. So in equation 1 we substitute, that is here. In this equation we substitute. Okay, so here P means 2Px, so equation 1 gives, that is, equation 1 gives, in equation 1 we substitute, so P means 2 capital P x P, then y plus xq, q means 2q, again xy, equal to PQ means small p is 2px, small p is 2qx, so it is 4pqxy, or which implies taking 2xy common from this term, which gives p plus q is equal to here 4xy pq. So 2 1s are 2, 2s are, and this xy get cancelled. So we get p plus q is equal to 2pq. So now this is of the form f of pq is equal to 0. That is first form. Correct? So now what we do? We apply the method of this equation, that is, put capital P is equal to A and capital Q is equal to B. Capital Q is equal to B. So in that case, it gives, here we substitute A plus B is equal to 2AB. Here we substitute P is equal to A. Here we substitute Q is equal to B. Okay, this becomes A plus B is equal to 2. P means A, Q means B, 2AB. Okay, so this equation we obtain. Now from this equation we find the value of B. That is the method of solving a such type of equation. So what we do? So we have A plus B is equal to AB. Now I bring this AB here, A plus B, then this gives minus AB is equal to 0. Okay, so now from first and this third one, I take a common. So 1 minus b plus b is equal to 0. Now a into 1 minus b is equal to minus b, or a is equal to minus b divided by 1 minus b. Correct? Or you can multiply this minus here, so which gives b divided by b minus 1. Or a is equal to b divided by b minus 1, or a is equal to minus b divided by 1 minus b. Right? So once we obtain a, then substituting a, okay, now what we do, we assume that let z is equal to a capital X plus by plus c be the solution. Okay, so then substituting a, call this equation 2, substituting a from 2. So what we get? Capital Z is equal to a means b divided by b minus 1 into this is x plus b is b only, capital Y plus c. Okay, so after we obtain this equation, next we resubstitute the value of x and y. So resubstituting x and y. Okay, so for this equation, what is x? So here x means x square, y means y square. So this we have to substitute here. So we get z is equal to b divided by b minus 1 x square plus b into y square plus c. So this is the solution of the given problem. Okay. Next, we move on to the next problem. So that is second one. Solve y minus x into qy minus px, qy minus px equal to p minus q whole square. Correct? So call this is equation 1. Okay, I just tell you how to solve this equation and what substitutions we make. Okay, then using that, try to solve this equation. Right? I just give a hint to solve the problem. So here, again this is not in a standard form. This we have to reduce in a f of pq equal to 0 form. So to reduce this into f of pq is equal to 0, what we do? We make a substitution. Put small x plus small y equal to capital X and xy equal to capital Y. Okay, what we will do? Sum of these two is equal to capital X and product of these two is equal to capital Y. Okay, so now we find P and Q. So what is P? P is dou z by dou x, that is dou small z by dou x. Now in this case, we have to differentiate dou z by dou x, and x is it's a function of two variables, or capital X is a function of two variables. So therefore, what we do? We differentiate like this. So dou z by dou x means dou z by dou capital X into dou capital X by dou small x, then plus, and again this x is also function of y. Two values are existing, that is x and y. So therefore we use two terms, to dou x dou z by dou capital Y into dou capital Y by dou small y. Right? So in this we find this value and we find this value by using this. Again, take this equation, differentiate this equation with respect to small x. Dou x by dou x is equal to 1. So while differentiating with respect to small x, this y is constant. Okay, this is a partial differentiation. So its differentiation is 0. So only differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Similarly, dou y by dou y. So take this one, differentiate this with respect to small y. And again here x is constant. So x constant, differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. So x into 1, that is x only. Correct? So similarly, q is equal to dou z by dou y. This can be written as dou z by again dou x into dou x by dou small y. Then dou z by dou capital Y into dou capital Y by dou small y. Similarly, this will do, but with respect to y, with respect to x, y and y. Right? So up till now, again take this equation, differentiate this with respect to y, then take this equation, differentiate this with respect to small y, okay, small y, and then you determine all these things. So dou x by dou small y, that is dou x by dou small y is again 1. Then dou capital Y by dou y, take this one, with respect to y means again it is 1. So substitute all this in this equation. Okay, so which gives q is equal to dou z by dou x. Dou x by dou x is 1. Dou z by dou capital Y. Dou y by dou y is again x. So let us denote this by capital P. So let dou z by dou x is equal to capital P and dou z by dou capital Y is equal to capital Q. So then this equation becomes capital P plus x into capital P. Similarly, Q is equal to, this is, we get capital P plus Q is equal to capital P plus dou x by dou y is again 1, capital P plus Q into x. Q into x. Okay, so just one correction you have to make. So this is what dou y by dou x. So both are with respect to x only. Okay, both are with respect to x, and here both are with respect to y. Okay, so here we have taken correct here, but here it should be both x. Okay, so then dou y by dou x. What is dou y by dou x? Dou y by dou x means differentiate this with respect to small x, so it is y only. Okay, so with this becomes y. Right? So this is q is equal to p plus qx. This is correct, and this small p is equal to p plus q into y. So that is p plus q into y. Okay, now substitute all these values p and q in the given equation. That is here. In this equation, some terms will be cancelled and you will get f of pq is equal to 0, and then solve by as usual method. Okay, and you will get the solution. Okay, So with this, I conclude this class and continue in the next class. Thank you.